Welcome back to Taste Like Disney and Happy Thanksgiving. I'm Joey, my producer and editor, and also my dog, Sophie, is actually taking a nap. She does it a lot. Tried to get her up to film this, and she gave me that look that just says, go ahead and turn around and go the other way. So, like I said, Sophie is my producer and editor if this is your first time here. So, as she edits these videos, she likes to make fun of me. So if you see any text bottom of the top of the screen, those come from Sophie, most of the time poking fun at me. Okay, well, let's get right to it. So yes, it's Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is in 3 days, actually, when I'm filming this. I'm excited. I'm gonna make a Disney Springs apple cider cocktail. Disney Springs apple cider cocktail. Now, the interesting thing about this is I actually don't know what year this came from because I got it on a website, actually. It's wishesandwayfinding.com. And I don't know what year because it said it was from a Disney Springs pop-up bar. And I really don't even know if they still do that. So if you can let me know in the comments if you've ever heard of this or if you've seen this cocktail at Disney Springs. I have not. So I'm gonna make it here next time I go to Disney Springs in the fall. Hopefully next year I will see if they have it. But this would be perfect to sit next to you at your Thanksgiving dinner, or before the dinner, during the dinner, after the dinner, the night before, as you're getting everything ready. Just, the entire week you should be drinking these. It's basically what I'm getting to here. All right, so let's get to it. I'm gonna go to the kitchen and we're gonna make ourselves a Disney Springs apple cider cocktail. Okay, so first off, you start with 1.5 ounces, which is a shot glass, and a Tower of Terror shot glass works the best if you have one. 1.5 ounces of Fireball Cinnamon Whiskey. Interestingly enough, they were sold out of Fireball everywhere I went, so I got this Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire. And they actually told me this is even better. Not really sure if that's true. They probably just, said that so I'd buy it. And I did. All right, so 1.5 ounces of Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire. And I've never had this, so I'm very curious. And I'm not a huge fan of Fireball to begin with, so my hope is that this is actually better. All right, and the next, it's 1.5 ounces of Stoli vanilla vodka. And I couldn't find that either, so I'm using this OIO vanilla, actually honey vanilla bean flavored vodka, which might be even better. Listen to that sound, I like that. All right, 1.5 ounces of this. I have a feeling this is gonna be fantastic. There we go. Possibly I should have used a larger glass. And look at that, magically we have a larger glass. Next we need 4 ounces of cranberry juice. And I'm using the real thing here. I'm not using the cranberry cocktail. I'm using the actual cranberry juice. So 4 ounces cranberry juice. Try not to spill this. I usually do. There we go. 4 ounces. Maybe I need an even larger glass. No. All right, then you're gonna top that off with some apple cider. I'm using Honeycrisp apple. That's my favorite apple. If you have to have a favorite apple, why not Honeycrisp? All right, then you're gonna give that a stir. I actually possibly could have used a larger glass. All right, and then next you're gonna top that off with some grenadine. A little bit of that. And then I didn't really have a garnish for this, so I just cut up some apples. There we go. And I also have a glow cube that I kept from Walt Disney World. So let's put a glow cube in there. This is purple. I think it'll change blue. White's good, I think, for this one. Well, let's see if there's a gold or... Well, there's one that changes. I kind of... Let's see. Green, blue. There we go. How's that? It's about to spill, but that is perfect. Okay, so I had to drink some of that because I just made a gigantic mess. But there you have it. Disney Springs Apple Cider Cocktail. What could be better for Thanksgiving? If you know, let me know. All right, I'm gonna go and give this a try. Disney Springs Cranberry Cocktail. I changed the glow cube to red also. I thought that fit this one better. Wow, delicious. You know what, I could really taste the apple cider, and I didn't put that much in because I was thinking I could have used less cranberry, more apple cider, but I can taste them both very well. It doesn't taste super strong. I think it's because it's a bigger glass, so you could use a smaller glass like I had started to and use less of the juices and the same amount of alcohol and it'd be stronger. But if you want a light, refreshing Thanksgiving beverage, this is the one for you. But yeah, it's delicious. And I'm not a huge, like I said, I'm not a huge Fireball fan. I can taste the Jack Daniel's cinnamon whiskey in this for sure. And the vanilla vodka does have a hint of vanilla as well. Perfect. I love it. I think I'll drink these every Thanksgiving from now on. So there you go. Disney Springs, what was it? Apple cider cocktail. There we go. I guess it's a little stronger than I thought. All right, well, thank you. This is fantastic. I'll give this an 8 out of 10. Again, I kind of changed some of the things, so I would like to try the official one sometime. But I think when I make these on Thanksgiving, I'll use smaller glasses, less juice, make them a little more biting, if you will. So that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing it as we speak. You can also hit the like button. That really helps me out. More importantly, it helps Sophie out. And you can leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make or do. You can attempt that, keyword being attempt. You can also hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos, and that's usually about 2 per week. And if you ever tried something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching, and happy Thanksgiving.